Hey everybody, it's Red. I hope you're well and happy today. I, in my last video, showed the journal that I just made, the shabby chic kind of journal that I called Beautiful Things. But anyway, in it, I had used some tags, and this is my last one. We're always looking for a way to just kind of add a little something to a tag. And so I thought it'd be fun to add some texture. And you can add even more by, whatever strings or fibers or whatever you use at the top. But I had some scraps of suede, and so I thought I'd soup it up a little bit. And that's what I did in the last journal. I don't know about you guys, but when I coffee dye anything, I have some trays that I use, and this is one that I use. And see, it's got a piece of fur on it. Let me get that off. I use this one, and you can get them at thrift stores or whatever. The beat up ones that nobody wants to buy, that's what I want to buy. And they've got rust and that kind of thing, and I coffee and ink and I'll dye on them and then just leave it and don't worry about it too much, and then it picks up on other things. And as you can see, I stuck a piece of paper down to it and I just left it. I'm not worried about it. So anyway, just a suggestion: when you coffee and tea dye things, sometimes you throw down a doily or whatever you've got, but I come back with rust and things like that are kind of interesting. So I thought I'd use those. And I've got a punch that gives me different tops, and I'm just gonna stick this in here. This is a 2-inch wide strip. I'll punch over here so it goes on my floor and I can sweep it up. So anyway, you've got a tag here, with the top. And what I bought, these are on Amazon. I'll put a link below the video in case you want to get them. It is not an affiliate link. I don't get anything out of it, but just, so you can find them, and you may be able to find them cheaper. This is just a set of punches, for leather and that kind of thing. And I use the big one and the littlest one. And I'm not going to bang on here. I'm just going to show you. I have a little hammer. I don't know what kind of hammer this is. My grandmother gave it to me when I was a teenager. She said to me, a woman should be prepared for everything and should be able to fix things by herself. So my grandmother gave me a set of just kind of misfit tools, but things that came in really handy: a hammer and screwdrivers and wrenches and that kind of thing. So this is my hammer for my grandma. And you just use it to, just tap. You're going to have to tap kind of hard. And when I do it, I put it on my suede and then I rock it a little bit, just because I'm not great at it. And that way I'm sure I get all the edges cut. And when I do, I end up with circles. So you got these little circles here. And then I punch them. And I was finding that I wasn't great at getting the holes in the center. So I found a tag that I had gotten at a thrift store, and now I don't know where I put it. Here it is. So this was just on a bag of stuff I bought at a thrift store, and I just put it in the center of, I don't know if you can see that, I just put it in the center of their little circle, and I put the littlest punch in there until it's kind of pushing, so I know I'm centered, and then I bang it. And again, I'm not going to bang it on here, but then I end up with a circle that's actually in the middle. And I do a bunch of them and then have them in my bowl and take my rubber cement. Rubber cement works the best for this, and I really need new rubber cement. This is getting really goopy. But you just take your tag. And am I in the screen? I think I am. I can't reach very far today. I am cluttered from all of this stuff I've been working on. And I mean, that is it. It's easy peasy. You just go over your hole like that. And then just line one up on the other side and you're good to go. If you want, instead of using this, I just was using that because I have it. You could just do your tags the way a lot of people have done in their videos, where you use a tag and just clip the corner, or clip the corner and match it up on the other side. And then you can make a smaller hole if you want, if you use one of the small hole punches, or you can use one of the bigger punches and make a little bit bigger hole. But anyway, I just thought it was a quick little project for you if you wanted to try it, if you had some leather or suede left over and wanted to add a little bit of extra texture. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Take care. Have a great day.